Yo, what up, y'all? I'm back. Hey, listen, today is gonna be exciting. I'm about to show you, as you see from the thumbnail, we're at the World of Wheels car show here in Kansas City. I'm out here, we're about to look at some cool whips. Hey, before we do, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking today. My guy Jay Lee is here. He has this Corvette Grand Sport in the show as well, so hopefully get a chance to connect with him. I'm excited to see some vehicles, man. This should be pretty cool. Hey, subscribe, like to the channel. I'm back trying to throw more content at you all. I got it coming, we got it coming. So me and James are here, so have some fun. Check you all out inside. Let's look at some hot whips. Let's hit that B-roll.
I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Catch this SS right here. This is my type of joint right here. Always just gotta keep them classy, like the S-Class here. Done very well. Rims not too big. Forgiato, real classy.
I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Yeah, so I've always wanted a GMC Denali HD. I would do a black just like this, or I would chrome delete. Some people do the Ford 250s, man. I just like the GMC, man. I'm gonna do a GoFundMe, give me a GMC Denali HD 250.
Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never.
Hey family, we're done. Nice little quick vlog there. Car show was pretty dope. I think it had like 700 cars in there if I'm not mistaken. Some pretty dope rides. Corvettes, that's my heart and joy right there. I didn't see any Hellcats, no Scat Packs. Maybe next time, put mine in there. That's coming soon. The pickup and delivery of that. It's gonna be a dope vlog. But hey, I'll catch y'all next time. Like, subscribe. Peace.